Streaming City. Okay. Okay. So it looks like I'm live. A bit late today because we took kids swimming quite far away and did some shopping and everything stretched a little bit. So, right, I have to find out what's going on actually in the market at the moment. I just barely started my computer. So let's see. Is this? Oh, that's not it. Let me just see what's going on. Is it busy after yesterday? I was just thinking driving home whether it's going to be very active day to day because of the move on the stock yesterday. SCKT, I mean. So maybe today will be like a follow up and something is going to go really crazy. Let's see. No, that's not what I want. Sorry, just trying to find my way around. Oh no, it is the one. Okay. Okay. Started stream. Okay. Just gonna go to full screen with that. Yeah, there was. It is quite active, isn't it? Damn. But that's what you can't always be in front of the computer and trade. CLPS. Let's see what's going on with this one. CLPS. Wow, that's nice. It just broke the resistance level at and 1390 just broke 14, but I'm a bit late, so I'm not thinking of chasing it just for the sake of chasing. Hold on, why is that not playing? Let's see, play. CLPS. And there's another one, LODE. So that might be an entry. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, that was a good entry, I guess. I'm in. It's selling off. I'm in again. So I'm with 200 shares. I need some zoom in. It's selling off hard, isn't it? 14. I'm gonna get out. Oh, yeah, that's weird. It's kind of weak. So I close it for $7 profit. Is it gonna go up? Lots of selling there. I wish I had a better entry. It's curling up, so I'm gonna try to go in for. Yeah, okay. So I got $15 profit there. It's a bit quick like this. 10. If it was going down up to this point, like 13, yeah, that's the one. That's better entry, I think. So I'm gonna try. Yeah, I got in and out for a quick scalp there. So there's lots of very green. Now it's lower volume there. Okay, let me see if I can. Should have gone in. Thanks. Not really that hungry. My wife just gave me some sushi that we got. Wow, that's really strong sell off. Okay, I got a fill there. It's a good entry, to be honest, at 13. Come on. It's selling off hard, isn't it? So let me see if I can close it for profit, with profit. I'm at 13.15, which is quite high. Okay. Doesn't want to go. Yeah, okay. It curled up a little bit. Got a bit of a headache today. I don't know why. Okay, that might be a good bounce, but I'm just gonna leave it. Since it's selling off, I was able to scalp a little bit. Right. Let's see what else is there to look at, to be honest. Can't see what's going on in there. Live. No, I'm not interested in this one. Live things scanner. Yeah, that's the one. I'm gonna check. Hold on, I need to clean my nose because I'm still not perfect. 1 second. Take this off. Get up the screen. Look at me. So still got the running nose. Look, that was a good maybe entry. Look how volatile this. Missed it. Look at this. Wow. So CLPS got 4.7 million shares. So it's very similar to the yesterday one, to SCKT. Wow, that's something. That was a huge move. Yeah, missed that one. Yeah, look how hard it is selling off. I'm in. Am I? No, it's halting. Okay, you see, always keep an eye. Because it's fudge. You see, that's one of the things I have to work on. I mean, come on. I wasn't aware it's actually market open because I'm used to starting so early, but it's already 9:31. So you see, have to be careful. So because it's demo, I was able to close, get in, get out. But in life, I don't think if there's no available shares to get out, and before the stock halted, I'm not going to be able to get out like this. So I'll be basically stuck with at that bottom price. I don't think it would be such a bad thing because you get a fill at the bottom of the at the bottom as it is at the moment. So unless it keeps selling off, but usually I believe I could set my order to close the position at maybe 12.49 or something, and I believe it should bounce to that level. So I think that wouldn't be the end of the world, but I should be more careful and be aware that that what I was going to say that the market just opened. Come on, right? You can see the increase in volume. But yeah, I was doing other things. Just my head is not exactly where it should be just yet. So I'm glad that I didn't kind of lose over here. So you see, it kind of went here, it tested that level, and it didn't break it. So that's a beauty there. So only on the break of, I guess, 15, I'll be getting in on the break of 15 as it was curling up over here, and getting in before in anticipation of the break is not always the safest way, right? Because as you can see, it tested that level again and quickly dropped back down. So as a beginner, I have to keep that in mind, of course. So let's see what else is moving. I see that the SPY is actually a little bit lower, 2%. So something to keep in mind as well. Volume leaders, LODE. Okay, I didn't put the information here yet. LODE. I'm gonna decrease the size of my window here so you can see you can also see the level 2 on Oh, like this. You can see this level too, this level too as well. Ah, right. LOD. Whoa, look at this guy. That's pretty. But look, this is a nice level to be getting in at. I'm going in just to see if I can get some of it. And I'm gonna see, that's a mistake. I'm not adding. Is it gonna go up a little bit? Because that was a huge sell-off, wasn't it? It's really wanting to break down. Lots of sellers. I'm out. Maybe this is a better entry. Let's see. I'm gonna go for 15 cents. Okay, so I closed for $20. It will probably go up from here. Let me see. Oh yeah, okay. I just marked that level. Okay. So it's a good entry point, and if it would break that, that would be a. So for the break of 8, I should be actually thinking of stop limit by. So I'm gonna actually change it to 1, and okay, clear that. So 801 up to 805. I should say. I should start getting used to setting my entries like this. But look, that's fighting hard, huh? Wow, it does already want to sell off, doesn't it? Amen. Lots of green, but that's mixed. Wow, they're really trying to sell it. Doesn't want to pop back in, back up, right? Wow. Out. In. Okay, and close it. So I lost 11 on that one and then gained back that. Um, yeah, it's very weak, isn't it? Okay, CLPS, that's the main one. So did it pop back in up? I think it did, right? It's right here. I don't remember what I said, but yeah, that wouldn't be so. No, hold on. Yeah, this is where it. So it was here, then it popped back up a little bit, and then sold off even further, even more. So, mm, so actually, just looking if I can kind of draw some lines here, some levels. Yeah, it's a weak day. Look, everything's selling off. So I think I might just sit on my hands with these, because yeah, SPY is to 2.5% down. Yeah, everything's selling off. LODE, that's popping back up. So kind of sold off and then bounced back. At another level, 707. Okay, that might have a nice bounce now after such a strong drop, but we don't know. So actually, this is a market leader at this point, LODE. Nice. Okay, so it went almost there. Okay, that's quite nice. I'm just going to draw some lines here, ascending resistance level, and then horizontal one, approximately there. Cool. So on a break of 8 would be also, yeah, I think I had that order, but I removed it. Let's see. 767. Yeah, if things are not moving, I mean, okay, 85. 780. We'll probably test it at least, right? So ONCY. This is another one. ONCY. Let's see what happens with this one. Oh, that's not too exciting, is it? Nah, that's really AQMS. I should better look at this one because it's curling up. 801 LODE. So I missed out on the morning moves, but I'm so used to trading, like practicing my trading every morning, that I really miss being in front of my computer and look what's going on. Okay, I just closed it for a small profit because it usually sells off again. I'm in again just to see for another kind of push. Now they really, okay, nothing exciting. -8, so actually lost some money on it. So it broke 8 and now it's below it again. Maybe more people need to get in or something. It's really weak. So CLPS, okay, that's trying to test now resistance. The volume is really low, but there'll be more people interested once it goes back up. Oh, what's going on here? So that's actually going up again. Is it gonna go up? I'm in. I'm out. Should have left it. But I'm thinking because it's the stocks are so weak, I'm okay with taking those small wins. If the market is strong and the stock is really pushing up, I'm also taking those small wins. So why wouldn't I take a small win in this instance, right? When it can drop at any point. But I think it's going to at least test this level, I think, right? 9 or something. Although this 20-day moving average is there. So I think it's best to wait until the stock shows its strength as well. But that was a nice bottom here. So I should have just kept a little bit of it. I have to kind of practice that, especially in demo when I have a chance. It's hard to have patience because very often it looks as if it is going to sell off, and to be in the position is just very difficult. Yeah, it's better. I'm just sitting on my hands. I don't know how far it will go. Why force it? Yeah, everything's weak. Um, so I've changed the name um, of the YouTube channel for now. I don't know. I can't decide what I want to call it. I had a few ideas, and I just called it what it is at the moment. So it's more, I guess, related to what I'm trying to do. Um, it'll be from 0 to negative. If I fail. Okay. So it uses that. Is it this 120? Did I say? One. No, that's supposed to be 9. Yeah, 9 moving average. So it's now kind of using this 9 moving average as a level. Sometimes it's very annoying that it kind of highlights those lines, and then you're trying to zoom in or zoom out with your mouse, and it changes the setting for the SMA. Weakness. I see a lot of weakness. Okay, so I think I have to redraw this one. What do you think? I'm going to mark this level here, and then can I do this as another support level? I don't know. So now for this one to kind of start curling up and for the people to get interested, I believe, would be to break these levels here. If it can prove its strength by going over 1271, that's like 1250. Yeah, 1250, I would say. If it breaks that, right, then people will get more interested. The volume should increase. Oh, the breaking something. 1251, did I say? 1251. Not limit, stop limit, buy. Oh, it's actually stop. I mean, it's a limit up. So annoying. I'm gonna try to buy it. Yeah, I'm out. I don't want to hold it um, into multiple limits. I'll just take what's available in case it sells off. What has he got here? No, CCNC, CCNC, CLPS. Oh, CLPS is hold it up. Okay, so I'm going to prepare for this one, hopefully. So the level was 1464, the high, 1467, 1471. Should I be interested at these levels before 15? I think it's a really powerful resistance level. So I'll be interested in over 15. I don't care because it's had 67, 64, 71. So it seems that at these levels there's strong selling. Oh, I'm wrong. I don't know. What do I know? Um, let's have a look at the daily quickly. Okay, control. So yeah, so these are the levels. Can mark some of them, I guess. There's an, another one, another one, another one. Okay, let's go back to 1 minute. So that should reopen. What do we have? 948. Where is that? CLPS. Here it is. 47. So 52 or something. Okay, 3 minutes to 3 minutes. Okay, so that didn't even get up to here. So you see, it's kind of lost its strength. The volume is decreasing. I won't even mark it here, right? It's drying up. I mean, if it broke my VWAP, which doesn't always correlate with other VWAPs, then I think more people would be interested in over 10, especially. I think that'll bring the traders back into it. Otherwise, not yet, at least. Okay, CLPS we got here. Okay, we have a tiny bit of time. So here are my stats from yesterday. 592. So after commissions 478. So I traded. I was making a video yesterday for the hotkeys. It's available on my channel at the moment. And when I was recording it, the SCKT was moving a lot. And when I was showing my the hotkeys, I was just making money. And then when I finished recording, then I traded a tiny bit. So I closed actually this. I finished trading with being over $1,500, but I decided not to include that in my sheet because the share size would be incorrect and everything else. So I said I would just keep it smaller. But yeah, it was a huge opportunity yesterday on SCKT to trade. There was a lot of money to be made. It went up to 35. I think it broke $35. Okay, let's just focus on this one. So 1501, which I'm gonna start getting used to setting it like this, up to 1505. I'll say that I'm interested in getting in. I actually noticed that there's lots of new videos on hotkeys. So a lot of people. Okay, so it broke down, and you see the volume breaks that resistance, and it didn't go too far yet. But yeah, it might just go. But I want to be looking at this one. So I think I didn't watch the videos. There weren't that many at the time I was looking for hotkeys. Okay, I'm buying on the stop limit. If it breaks, should actually go 14 at that level as well, rather than 15. But let's see. If it breaks 15, I actually bought. You see, no, careful, Rafa. I'm in, closing some, closing the rest. Yeah, the volume is increasing. I'm out. I still got my order over 15, closed it, and out. I should have held it in. Now all of a sudden it's strong, huh? And trying to get 10 cents. I'm a bit scared. Let's see how quickly it can do this. out. Can just turn on us really quickly. Out for $36. You can see all my profits here. Over 16, what do you think? 16.01. Buy. Just watching. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if yeah, $7. No, I didn't close at the right time. So it's now a limit up. It's just threatening that area. That increased actually. So let's see if I can. I'm a bit scared of it, just too high. $10. Very risky stuff. I'm out. So I'm just buying and selling really quickly because I don't want to be trapped in caught in a flash because it's still very early and those moves can be really violent. It might just go limit down within a minute. It's okay. See, I just lost $17 just like that. I thought it's actually gonna trying to get in, out $23. CLPS. Curling up, closed it for $14. So little by little, right? 389. It's not bad. And then I'm being very careful with my trading, I think. I'm not holding them for long. Why did I go in there? That was silly. -$6. Why am I entering at those points? Oh, Rafa, come on. That's very silly. It's selling off, kind of. So I'm just losing more and more. So 15 is a really good level, isn't it? Let's see. You see, I keep giving profits. Out. And again, doesn't want to. That's good. I'm learning. Can't be doing this silly stuff. Okay, I'm out. I gave away quite a lot of money now. So I should have waited for a better entry. You see, so I gave away loads, like 63 here, -7, -22, -6. So over $100, I think, because it was going lower and lower. Plus the share commissions. It was taking a very long time over here, just going down and up and down. It wasn't going up. It was just it couldn't kind of break and push it up a little bit for 10, even for 10 cents. So something to keep in mind in the future. See. Yeah, I should have gotten so 1656. Oh, Rafael. Okay, it's going up, 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 up. I'm out for $25. in, out. It's like this pumping, and again, out. At those highs, now it's going to drop, and dropped much higher than I expected. Close it for profit because I've added a little bit, so I closed it for $80. Risky, man. So I should have bought it at, yeah. So very big, I mean, big green candle here. Is it gonna go higher even? So 17 should have been my entry. But you see, I marked these daily resistance levels, and it seems to be coming into play. Hmm. Just watching. Do you think it might be reaching its limit for today? Although after yesterday, you think it can go to 35 again. But look how much it's moving. Like so easy. It can flash. So I went in for $27 with 200 shares. Kind of selling off now. I know last week I've been trapped with trying to pick the bottom and almost lost 2 grand or 3 grand. Demo, of course, right? Demo. So I'm hesitant. It seems in this market there's lots of opportunities when you don't have to pick bottoms. You can just ride the momentum up. Just buy when it's moving and sell a bit higher. But with these, very tricky. Especially that when the stock is selling off, it's very volatile. Those are rapid moves, and to find the bottom in these can be very tricky. So you can see that this candle closed above here and this one as well. So there's still some strength left in it. Well, if there is. I thought it would be moving up and I just got caught. $98. See? Out for $12. Aye, not very good trading today on my part. I was judging based on those two candles that they both closed above this line. So I thought, okay, it doesn't want to sell off, but then it held it, but eventually dropped under. So that's what happened. So I win some, I lose some. Again, losing. I ruffle. In, out. I'm just scared. And in again. Oh, jeez. No way that it's gonna go over 17. Look at the volume. It's a different one. Ah, so he's looking at that. Okay, CLPS. Do I want to buy at that level? I don't know. 1739. Should I try? So at what level is he? 1648. Okay. Seems that it's going up. Okay, made some profit there. I'm gonna go for a buy over 17, but it's not a good level, is it? Out. That was a good profit. Lower high. So that's lower high, but it doesn't mean it's not gonna go. So it didn't finish maybe the move, so it can keep on going. I removed my active order for the time being. Can always put it back in. Hmm. Signing off. Is that the end for now, at least? A, B, C, D, maybe. In. Yeah, should have. I was gonna. I had my my key on cancel order to sell at 10 cents for a bigger profit, but I didn't. So is it done or is it not? I'm in. Taking some profit. No, closing the rest. Wait. I wonder, I mean, hopefully I'll be able to make some money in life, but am I gonna ever learn to hold it for a bigger move? Like this one, right? I sh I could have just held it here and see what happens. Why didn't I? Okay, so we got this level here, descending resistance, I guess. And this one here can say it's going this way. Wow. The volume as it is, I don't know. Wow. I wonder what it's going to do. I'm just gonna watch it. I don't want to be caught because I've seen these before, and they pop up and then they flush. It doesn't have to happen, but I've decided, okay, let's see what it does. Volume is low. S&P is going up. I mean, regaining some of the losses from the lower open. Yeah, so this was 1 minute candle making new high, and it didn't do it. Then it continued, tested this resistance I drawn, and then dropped a little bit. Still doesn't mean it's not going to go up, but I don't see a lot of strength. We have on 5 minute we have this doji candle. That's what it's called. Drying up volume, and that indicates very often that it may go lower. So yeah, popping. That's lots of movement. And I mean, if it's for the sell-off, they kind of capturing people who want to buy because they need to sell to someone, right? Let's see. Going up on the low volume, right? Wow, what a shocker. No way. Scary stuff. If it goes over 18, I'll be interested. I might just pick the top. Unbelievable. I didn't expect that at all. But this can be followed by a very strong sell-off at this point. Let's see what happens. I'm interested over 18, I think. What's gonna happen? I think in one of the one of the videos I posted, there was the similar situation. It doesn't, of course, mean it's gonna happen all the time. It's just something to be aware of. And I could maybe get in here, but I've seen them really sell strongly after the move like that. Hence, I'm scared of trading these setups. For me, it's very like low probability, or I'm not feeling confident trading this. Because in my mind, the risk of a flash is so strong. I see Ross is not trading that either, I think. He traded when it broke this resistance, right? I think he sold it for some nice profit, but he's not holding anything just yet. I don't know. Maybe he is not looking that closely. So I got my order over 18. Insane. I'm afraid I'll be caught over here. Okay, closed it for $25 only. In, closed, in. Ah, okay. This is already a limit up. It might reverse. No, it doesn't want to. Wow, that's some strength. I think maybe it's after yesterday. In these incredible moves. And so many times I've seen it just drop, and this one worked out. Oh man, I wish I could hold it for a longer time. Let's see. So it's 1901 is the level. Okay, I'm not selling. Let's see how that works for me. Because I feel like might want to go to test 20, like yesterday. Probably won't. So holding. It's easy when it's not going against you, because I'm kind of leaving the money on the table, ain't I? Look, I just bought another one, increase my size. Oh, just trying something new here. Look at this. So I have 200 shares. I'll be selling around 20 if it happens. I'm going to. You see, I was going to set a stop loss at break even, and then I would be already out. Ah, I'm out. Minus $4. And again. So it's so hard to actually keep that profit, right? Yeah, too late, I think, for me to get in with 19. Okay, 60. Too slow. And that might be it. I'm out. Minus 16. Can you believe this? Oh my gosh. I'm in again. So you see, I just don't know how to trade these. So annoying. Went with 200 shares. $20. So I just left like twice $100 on the table. To $100 twice, and close it for a loss. That's why I better take my 10 cents every time. Um, I also don't want to increase my share size because I don't have that much money to trade with. It's the only way, I mean, for me at this point in time. Is it going to test it? Test the 20. Out. And out. I don't know. I just don't like it. And I'm gonna try to get 15 cents if I can, or 10 cents. I'm in. I mean, I'm out $12. So that's my way of doing things. And out. And looks like it's gonna. Okay. I made some on this one. How long has it been? It's been holding this level, huh? I'm gonna go for my 10 cents usual. Don't see it yet. Oh no. Damn it. Okay, closed it. Crazy. 21. In case it's gonna go parabolic, I set order for 21. Went in. That's a good one. Good $60. So bought 200 shares and sold them really quickly. For me, that's the way to trade. I mean, it's if this is demo. So is that it? Is it done? Selling. Wow. Okay. So again, decreasing volume here. That's right. It does look, it's a third candle going down. I don't want to try to pick the bottom unless it flashes all the way to this one or this one. This one will be a good one. I will take it for a quick one, for a quick few cents. So it's approximately 2 weeks before. It will be 8 weeks since my application has been filed with Lightspeed. So I'm hoping they will open my account on time. I'm actually thinking of writing them an email to ask if everything is on schedule for the account to be opened in 8 weeks' time from my filing date. I think I sent my application on the 8th of January. So it's been what, 5-6 weeks or something now. And then I'll be able to test drive my skills on the live system. See how quickly I'll be able to execute my trades. Demo trading is good. It may teach you some good habits, I guess, and you can test your strategies, but it's nothing like live trading. Okay, I think I got sushi here. I want to eat, but I don't want to make these sounds to the mic, and this seems to be selling off a little bit. Let's just have a look at the LODE. Yeah, that's it's no longer leading GAPA, is it? No, no, CLPS is. But I think I'll come back to it at the later time after I eat my lunch. So thanks for watching, I guess, and I'll be back at it tomorrow.